Okay, so today we're going to look at how to do our cell hunt in Excel. So in Teams, you click on this pupil spreadsheet here, and you click on download. So that you work on your own copy of this, please. Okay, it will download the spreadsheet to your downloads folder. There you can see. So here we see my downloads folder. There's my spreadsheet. I'm going to double click and open it. Okay, so here are all the words that we have to put into our story, and here are all the blanks where our story will be created. Okay, so let's have a look. The first one they want is E7. The first letter or the word is in E7 that needs to go here. So if I go to E, column E, and row 7, you'll see that A is the letter for E7. So I'm going to put an A in here. That's the first one. Then they want D8. So where's D? Column D, row 8 is spreadsheets. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it. And so you move your way through all of these to get yourself a story. Please send me your work when you're done.